Hey guys, so it's Krafty Kashen and we are going to be doing some Kitty in My Pocket, Animal Jam, My Mini Mixie Q's, Shopkins Season 6, and Squinky Dewdrops, and Marvel's Tsum Tsums. So let's get started. So first I'm going to open Squinky Dewdrops. So see this little house? So I have like a glittery, sparkly bottom, and then like it says Squinkies right here, and then I have a light blue house top. So I think you can take the top off. I don't know. Here, I'll just take it out from the bottom. Here's the package. Ooh, the packages are long. Ooh. Oh wait. So it comes with 2 Squinkies and 1 Dew. Okay, so here's the house. Ooh, I think this one is a good one. Oh, we got a little pail. Oh, it's a Squinky. It's a cute little alligator. Hold on, let me get it out of the package. Ah, it's a little footsie stuck. Look at that cute little alligator. Okay, now let's look at the Dew. Ooh, the Dew is like a pretty braid, purple braid. Okay, let's put it on the alligator. Okay, now let's put it on the pail. And they have like little pegs in the back, like little holes, and then they have these in the Dew, so you can just like keep it on, and you have to line it up with. Okay, so now we are going to open, let's open Kitty in My Pocket. This is how the cage looks, and this is series 2. There we go, and that opens, it closes and opens. Ooh, and they're furry. Oh, look at this little kitty. These Kitty in My Pocket are like actually like soft and furry. Look at this one, it's so cute, and she has a little baby kitty. That is so adorable. Here are the ones. These are all the Kitty in My Pockets that you can get. So their collection is really fast. So I got Midge and Kiki. So this is Midge, and this is Kiki. Comment down below which kitty you like best, Midge or Kiki. So let's open Animal Jam. So here's the little door. How do you get it open? How do you get the door open? There we go. Got it open. We got this little girl. We got a little pony with a party hat. Look at how cute she is. Okay. Can't make her stand up. She'll just lay down. Okay. So that's her. And let's open My Mini Mixie Q's. Now it comes in 2, so they're probably both in here. Okay. Here's one of their hairdos. Okay. So these are the little mixies. And then let's put their dresses on. And we can switch their, no wait, no, this one goes. And we can switch their dresses. And okay, so this is one. you can switch their clothes up, which I'm going to do that because they come with two. Put her dress on. These are both of them. So this is the one I just put on. Okay, let's switch their dresses and hair. See what they look like. So that's that girl. And then there's the hair. That's what she looks like. Okay, so now we are going to open the season 6 of Shopkins. So here's a little recipe book, and then this is what you need to make this. This is what you need to make this. I think I already have this one. Yep, I already have this one. But I forgot her name. Her name is Runny Honey. Okay, now let's see what other one I got. Do I already have this one? I already have this one! Wait, do I? Never mind, I don't have her. Okay, so her name is Berry Sweet Pancakes. Now let's see if she's pink is, ooh, she's an ultra rare common. Okay, well, so that was it for today, and I'll see you next week on Krafty Kashen, so bye!